I have used over a dozen different agents to buy reps, and in this video I will be showing you guys the top few that will give you the best experience, cheapest price, and just most worth using in 2025. By the end of this, you'll know how to get any shoes, clothes, watches, literally anything you can think of, but for the best price possible. I have personally spent hundreds to even thousands on all of these sites, and I will be giving you guys my honest opinion about each one. I am also doing all of this for free, so make sure to leave a like. And before you guys ask, yes, these are all safe and trusted, and yes, they ship to every country. I also want to let y'all know I am having a huge giveaway in my Discord once it gets to 1,000 members, so make sure to join that. Now let's get right into it. First, it's important to understand what a shipping agent is. An agent is a warehouse in China that pretty much works as a middleman. They will purchase products for us from China sellers since we're not able to ourselves. Most China sellers do not offer to ship items out of country, and most of them are impossible to even get in contact with. So shipping agents let us purchase items through their site, then they will purchase it for us from the seller in China, and the seller will ship it to their warehouse. When it gets there, good shipping agents will take quality check pictures for you so you know exactly how your item looks, and then they will give us the option to return it or continue to store it in their warehouse. Then once you have some items built up in your warehouse, you have to pay the shipping cost and they will send it to your doorstep. I personally think shipping agents are the best way to go, and they allow you to purchase the best quality items that are impossible to get from US marketplaces like AliExpress, Alibaba, and DHGate. However, there are hundreds of shipping agents to choose from, and most of them are just not good. That's why I'll be showing you guys the 5 most common agents, and honestly the only 5 that I think are worth checking out. The first one is USFans. This is honestly my favorite choice right now. They are definitely an upcoming agent and definitely have the potential to be the next PandaBuy. Looking at their homepage, it's already really clean, and guys, make sure to sign up using the link in the description to get $800 for free in shipping coupons. Also 15% off all future orders, which is actually the most coupons given out of all agents. Otherwise, their navigation on the website is really nice. They have everything an agent should have, and I'd say just a really solid option whether you're new to buying reps or want to switch agents to give this one a try and to take advantage of their free shipping coupons. As you can see, this is my orders tab here, and I have a ton of things ordered already. All of these items can be found in my free spreadsheet in the description, and if this video gets 10 likes, I will post a haul unboxing video of all of these items. But another good thing about USFans is you can order anything. A lot of agents have restrictions, but this one has completely zero, which I think is amazing. But another reason why USFans is my favorite right now is because they have insanely fast purchasing times. Most agents take 3 to 4 days to store your orders and send you QC pictures, but this one only takes 1 to 2 for most items, which is insane. The shipping prices are also some of the best I've ever seen since PandaBuy. If you go up to the estimation tab and enter in how much your package would weigh, it will show you an estimate. Keep in mind this price is usually higher than what it will be since it's just an estimate. If you guys want a full in-depth tutorial of this agent, make sure to watch this video on my channel. It covers everything you need to know whether you've never used an agent before or using this agent for the first time. After looking over everything that makes a shipping agent actually good, I have determined this one to be the best. They're trustworthy and have a big community. Their shipping cost is the cheapest I've seen out of all agents right now, along with the shipping coupons. They have 24/7 customer service, fast processing times, they have QC pictures, a really nice interface, and also a good affiliate and earning program. So when you use USFans to purchase items, you can create content showing your items and they will reward you for results. This way you can actually get paid for buying your hauls. Getting into the second agent, it's going to be ACBuy. ACBuy is also a pretty solid choice when it comes to picking what agents you use. I have used them in the past and I honestly didn't have any issues. Their homepage and interface is really clean as well. If you sign up using a creator's link, you will get $300 in shipping coupons. It's not nearly as much as USFans, but it's still alright if you choose this one over USFans. I'll have my sign up link for this in the description as well. It supports me a little bit, but mostly benefits you. I've used ACBuy a lot, as you can see, and I'll say the only pros I'd say it has over USFans is that they've been established a little bit longer. Otherwise, they offer the exact same services. Some people like ACBuy's interface more and some people like USFans more. It's just preference. Also, ACBuy does have some restrictions. If you try to buy some items, it will have a warning message. Most of the time you can click out of it, but sometimes you can't. The shipping prices are a little bit more expensive, but still not that bad. If we go up to the estimator here, I think it's just a bit more expensive than USFans was, but comparing them side by side to USFans, ACBuy still has a big community and they are trustworthy. Their shipping cost isn't the best, but still not that bad. They have 24/7 customer service, they have average purchasing times, they have QC pictures, their interface is really nice, and they also have a pretty good affiliate earning program as well. So overall, they're not as good as USFans in my opinion, but if you do choose ACBuy, they're still a solid agent. Also, if you made it this far, I just want to say please comment down below what items I should have in my future haul videos. I want to listen to you guys and show show you guys what you want to see. I also read and respond to every single comment. Getting into the third one, it's going to be a little bit different than the rest. It's DHGate. DHGate is just like AliExpress, except a lot of replica sellers do sell on here. In my opinion, it isn't as good as shipping agents, but it is preferred by some people. You're not able to choose the quality of products you want to get, and you're not able to see QC pictures of your item before it ships to you. It's pretty much a gamble whether you're going to get a good quality item or a mid quality item, and most of the time they're mid quality. But the reason why I have it on third is because sometimes I think it's better to purchase some items on here over a shipping agent. For example, if you use USFans for a big summer clothes haul, the shipping might cost around $100. Now, let's say you wanted to get some cologne to resell or spray on your clothes, or you wanted to get a watch in that haul. The $100 general cargo shipping will increase to special shipping lines because of these items and might cost $200 instead. Plus, you have to worry about liquid leaking all over your clothes, fragile items in with other fragile items. It's just complicated. Anyways, I hope that made sense. But in that case, you'd want to use DHGate. The prices aren't as good as using an agent, but still cheaper because of that shipping line price increase. DHGate is very simple to use. It's just like Amazon. The only hard part is finding good quality reps, since most of them are mid. That's why I made you guys a completely free spreadsheet for DHGate as well, which you can find in the description below. But just note, the quality will never be as good on DHGate compared to the quality you can get using a shipping agent. If you guys need any help with DHGate, feel free to join my Discord. I'm sure somebody will help you in there. But comparing DHGate to a shipping agent, DHGate is insanely popular and is definitely trusted. The overall cost is more expensive than a shipping agent, so I'd give that a 3 out of 5. Their customer service is decent. The purchasing time is fast, but it kind of depends on the seller. They do not have QC pictures. Their ease of use is good, and for creators and future creators, the affiliate earning program is not nearly as good compared to shipping agents. Getting into the fourth, it's going to be CNFans. Honestly, I'm not that big of a fan of CNFans. A lot of people choose it, but I honestly don't understand the hype. I'm just having it on this list since it is one of the most popular agents. Looking at their interface, it's similar to USFans, but just not as good. But I'm going to ignore my biased opinion. It's still decent. I will also have a sign up link in the description below for $200 in shipping coupons in case you choose this one. When it comes to purchasing items, CNFans does have quite a bit of purchasing restrictions. A risk reminder box will pop up, and it is pretty annoying to close out of it if it happens often. But let's jump straight into the comparison. The shipping cost is about the same as ACBuy, so still pretty good. They do have 24/7 customer service, which is good. The purchasing time is normal, but a little bit on the slower side. They do have QC pictures, and their interface is decent. And of course, for the creators, the affiliate earning program is pretty good as well. So still overall a pretty solid agent, but in my opinion, I'd say just as not as good as USFans or ACBuy. And lastly, we have Joyagoo. Joyagoo is an upcoming agent right now. I personally haven't used them much, but I'm starting to hear that they're a decent agent. Again, their sign up link for free coupons will be in the description as well. But their homepage is clean and don't have as many restrictions as CNFans. Their interface is better than CNFans, I'd say, but not as good as USFans or ACBuy. But getting right into the comparison, the shipping cost is good, not the best, but still good. They do have 24/7 customer service. The purchasing time is normal. They do have QC pictures. And for creators, the affiliate earning program is pretty much the same as all the other agents I've mentioned. So overall, USFans does seem to have the most benefits right now. Again, it's just what I think's best. Feel free to choose whichever one you want, and remember to sign up with the links in the description for those free coupons. Now, for all of you guys who are interested in making some money with your hauls or want to make content or posts with your haul, make sure to watch this last little bit. All of the agents do seem to have the same affiliate earning programs. If you make a post for ACBuy, CNFans, or Joyagoo, they usually will give you some of your money back or potentially all of it. However, that is the most they typically give. I'm not even lying, guys. USFans does seem to have the best right now for that too. With their earning program, and just by posting a simple TikTok video, Reddit post, YouTube video, you can get your entire haul paid for, item cost plus shipping, and you have the chance of making hundreds on top of that, depending on how many interaction your post gets. To me, it seems worth it. I know a lot of people that do it. So if you're interested in that, consider checking out this video that's popping up on screen. Without wasting any more time, thank you so much for watching.